Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have J-Lo here, Jennifer Lopez, with her song called On My Way. And this is from the Marry Me movie soundtrack here. So a pretty easy song to play, and we don't need any capo for this one. So let's start. We have 4 chords to learn here. So let's go through them first. It's the D here, so open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have G, so third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, next is A, so open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And finally, B minor. So you bar all strings here from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's B minor. Alright, so let's first look at this very easy melody here. That will be an intro, but also a part of the verses here. So it goes like this. Okay. You will play that for 2 rounds in the intro. So you find it here on the B string. So 3rd fret B string. Then open E. Then 2nd E. And 3rd B. Okay, we can stop there. So 3rd B, open E, 2nd E, and 3rd B. So we move on here to the 2nd B, and then 3rd B, open E, and 2nd B. Yeah, that's it. So slowly. Two rounds of that, and that is the intro. Okay, so for the verse, you're gonna continue this melody here, but you're just gonna add 1 bass note together with the first note you play here on the 3rd fret B string. So this bass note is the open D, since this melody here is based on the D chord. So you just go with the open D here together with the first note, the 3rd fret B string. So these 2 together, and the rest is the same. Okay, so only in the intro you play just the notes here, but then from now on in the song here you will play with the bass note here, the open D string. Alright, so you're gonna play 2 rounds of this melody here to begin with in the first verse here. And then you're gonna play 4 downs of G. So 2 rounds of the melody here will sound like this. And then comes 4 Gs. In that tempo. Okay. And that is, yeah, and after these 4 downs on the G, you will play 1 round of the D melody again. So, okay. So 2 rounds of melody, then 4 downs on the G chord, and then 1 down on the melody here. Okay, that will be 1 chord progression for the verse. You will play that for 2 rounds. Okay, so 2 rounds of D melody here, then G, 4 downs, and 1 round of the melody, and you will do that for 2 rounds. So let's go and play this first verse. Yeah, that is one chord progression. Do that 2 times, and there you have your first verse there. Okay, that leads us to the chorus. So for this one, we will play 4 downs on the B minor, then 4 downs on A, and 8 downs on G. Okay, so we can start with that, and the tempo will be right. So there's twice as fast as when you play the G chord 4 downs in the verse. Okay, so B, 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 A, and G 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you do that for 2 rounds. That is one chord progression, B minor, A, and G. Do that for 2 times. On the second round here, you're gonna play the G, the last chord here on the second round, for 5 times. Okay, so it will be kind of a pause after that 5 times. So you don't play 8 times on the G, only 5, and there's a pause. And then it follows by 1 round of the melody here. So to summarize this chorus, B minor 4 times, A 4 times, and G 8 times on the first round. And then again, B minor 4 downs, A 4 downs, and G 5 downs with a small break, and then comes the D melody. So let's go through this chorus. Right, so that was the chorus. Then comes another verse here, the second verse, and it's in the same way as the first verse we learned here, so nothing new there. And then comes another chorus here. It will be the same as the first chorus we just learned. The only difference there is you don't have this last melody here after the G 5 times on the second round. So when you play 2 rounds of B minor, A, and G, B minor, A, and G, and the final G there 5 times, that's it for this chorus. Okay, so so far we have played 1 verse, 1 chorus, second verse, and second chorus. Now after the second chorus comes a post-chorus, and now this song pretty much completely changed here when it comes to the strumming. So the post-chorus starts in the lyrics, I was on my way to you, and that is pretty much what she sings for a while now. Okay, so now you're gonna play 8 down ups. Okay, so it goes pretty fast here with this down ups. It will be like this. This tempo, okay, and it's kind of a something like that. Okay, so you're gonna play down up, and you're gonna play 8 times for each chord, and the chords will be D to G to B minor to A. Okay, that is the post-chorus part. And yeah, let's go through this. So D, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, G, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, B minor, 5, 6, 7, 8, and A, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so that is the post-chorus parts. But this down up will continue here. We have a bridge part, I believe we can say here, and it will continue in the same way here. The chord progression will be a little bit different here. So it will be D, and remember everything is about 8 times. So D 8 times, G 8 times, B minor 8 times, and A 8 times. So far in the same way as the post-chorus we just learned. But then for this second round and this bridge part, we will start with B minor instead of D. So B minor 8 times, and the rest will be the same. G 8 times, B minor 8 times, and A 8 times. Okay, so let's go through this bridge part here, and I will speak meanwhile I'll play and take you through this. Okay, so let's go with D 8 times. G, B minor, 5, 6, 7, 8, and A. And now B minor again, B, and G, and B minor, and A. Yeah. Alright, so that was the bridge part. And right after this one comes another chorus part. And this is a chorus part since she sings the same lyrics here as in the chorus. But now we will still continue this down up. So forget about how we played the chorus before. We will continue this way of playing with the down ups. And the chords will be B minor 8 times, G 8 times, B minor 8 times, and A 8 times. Okay. So in the same way as we play the post chorus there. So let's go. B minor, G 8 times, and back to B minor, and A. Yeah. And I believe I said it was in the same way as the post chorus. That's not what it's about, since it starts on the B minor. So B minor, G, B minor, A. Yeah, so that's the correct way. And after this final chorus, we have an outro part, okay? So this outro will be the same way again. So B minor, G, D, and A, okay? So you play in the same way, down, up, and 8 times for each chord. And then after this B minor, G, D, and A, you will end with 2 rounds of the intro melody. So this part here, and without this bass here, which we had in the verses. So only this notes here, the melody. So let's go with this outro part, the down ups, and end with the melody. Yeah, so that was the cute ending of On My Way with J-Lo. So good luck with this one, and I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, thumb up this one, and see you soon. And don't forget, guys, to play tuned.